Hello everyone. A very good morning from Nehamitra Prabhakar. August 15, 1947 is the day India got its independence from the British rule that had lasted more than 300 years. Today, as we gather here to celebrate our Independence Day, our hearts swell with pride and gratitude for the countless brave souls who fought to liberate our beloved motherland. Let us honor our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Azad, Tilak, Subhash Chandra Bose, Vallabhbhai Patel, Veerapandiya Kattabomman, Bharatiyar, Kamarajar, Kodikatha Kumaran, Kappalottiya Tamilan, Marudanayagam brothers, Rani Velnachar and many more who led the fight for freedom with utmost determination. Independence Day stands for the triumph of bravery, teamwork and valor of Indians. This day holds a great significance as we honor our sacrifices of the forefathers who gifted us our freedom. Freedom brings responsibility. As young citizens of India, we need to uphold unity and work towards our country's progress. Let us use education as a tool to shape a brighter future. On this occasion, let us pledge to contribute positively to our country's growth. Happy 79th Independent India! Vande Mataram! Jai Hind!